How to collaborate with TikTok influencers. Hello guys and welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can collaborate with TikTok influencers. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open your TikTok account and select the particular video of which influencer you wish to contact with. So for example, you can even search for the video in the search bar or even pick any video from your following or for your page. Now let's see if this is the video which I need to collaborate with. What's that supposed to be about? And once you click on the video, you'll be able to see an option over here that is the arrow icon. So you're going to click on this arrow and here you can find the option that is do it. So the do it option might be allowed by some of the influencers and some of them might have this do it option turned off. So if you are not able to find the do it option, that means that the particular influencer has not allowed it. But however, if you do find it, that means that you have the permission to collaborate with them. So you can just click on do it, and once you click on do it, you'll be able to see something like this in front of you. So what you got to do is over here collaborate with them with this particular video, and you can just click on, for example, this icon in order to create a do it. And now you can see that there are multiple options in which way you can collaborate with them. You can either make it side by side, or you can even make it something like this, and you can even do it something like this or even like this. So you're going to select it according to your own choice and then click on this circle.
I love your daughter.
And then once the video is recorded, and then once the video is recorded, you can click on this check icon over here.
I love your daughter. What do you have to offer? I love your daughter. What do you have to offer? I love your daughter. What do you?
After clicking on next, you'll be able to see something like this, and then you can check who can view this post and then click on post. So that is basically how you can collaborate with influencers on TikTok. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next one.